Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So for your general energies, we are picking cards from this deck, guys. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies. So we have Emperor in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse and World in reverse. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is really kind, compassionate. So towards the people, you help others, you are a very friendly person. And you are someone who's really, having a lot of knowledge and experience. That is the reason people come to you for guidance and support, and you are a very friendly person, guys. So maybe in your career situation, people see you as a friendly colleague, someone whom they can rely on. The same way, even in this relationship, this person sees you as their good friend and a very good person to be with, a friendly natured person. And today, for some reason, maybe in some circumstances, you are confused. You don't know what to decide. You feel stuck or cornered in some ways. You are unable to think clearly and decide something, guys. So maybe there are circumstances in your life, in your work or in your relationship, something opposing your views and ideas. Maybe this person is opposing your views. They have their own set of ideas or beliefs, and they don't want to listen to you today. And some kind of uncertainty or lack of clarity you have in your situation, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So it says breathe. So with this card, guys, today in your relationship, it just means that in order to achieve that peace and tranquility, peace of mind today, we must just be patient and do not rush into any decisions today. So we just have to take that deep breath and relax, give up all the worry and stress, anxiety, whatever tensions that we have, and just enjoy this present situation. And patience is what is needed today. So there will be right changes happening at the right time, but you need to be patient. That is what this card is about, guys. So patience will pay off in your relationship. So if you are patient, things are going to change. Maybe the uncertain situation or that lack of clarity is going to change, guys. So you just need to take a breath and relax today, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is all that glitters. So with this card, it just means that in your work situation, what is right in front of you may not be what you expected. Sometimes opportunities will look so good, we will just simply feel like rushing towards it, guys. But you need to understand that what meets your eye may not be totally true, it may just be fool's gold. So you need to just resist the temptation and see truthfully whether this choice will work out for you and whether this is the right opportunity for you, guys, and whether it will match your intentions or your ambitions or goals or your talents and skills. So you have to think clearly before stepping in or rushing in towards some choices in your career situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.